Hi my loves, so today we are going to learn how to make your own wig in 30 minutes by using a glue gun, and at the end of the day your wig should look like this one, guys. It's popping, and so you can use any weave that you need. I'm using this, is called Veronica, but you can use any weave, be it curly, be it straight. And then you need this mannequin head, and then make sure it's nice, and the size of the head, the mannequin should be not so far from your head, not so far from the human head. Some of them, they're very tiny and it's impossible. I once purchased and it was very impossible. You need also a wig cap like that of your choice. Then you need this glue gun. This is a very cheap thing you can buy, and then you need that glue stick like that. So you insert your glue stick inside the glue gun like that. Make sure it goes all the way. Electrical. Okay, so you're gonna plug that so that you can light it up. You can switch it on that part, on that switch, and then you're gonna need that plastic bag. But I had a problem with this plastic bag. I just regretted using it in the end. I wish I didn't use it. So you can either skip it or use it, but the cons of using the plastic bag is that it's going to be very hard to get it out, because it will stick with the glue. So you might as well use the cap without a plastic bag. Then I measured the length at the back, which I'm gonna use. I'm gonna just insert 3 tracks at the back, and then we're gonna go in circular motion. So I'm applying the glue first. I left the glue for a few minutes so that it can melt, and then when you squeeze, it comes that liquid consistent of a glue. So, and then afterwards you just apply where you want to insert your wig tracks, and then you insert. But mind you, this dries so quickly. The glue dries very, very quickly. So one thing you have to do is, like, you apply a little and then you insert the weave track, and then you apply on the other line and then you insert the weave track. Or you can do it in portions, not just the whole track. So you just find what works for you, but just remember that this glue dries up very quickly, and be careful not to burn yourself. But yeah, it's manageable. So then I do that 3 tracks at the back, and then we start going in circular motion. I will go in a round, in a circle, just going and going and going and going. So there, I will go slow here in the beginning so you see exactly what I am doing, and then the video will go in a fast forward motion as it goes, so that we don't have to make this video last forever, like stay for a long time, and you guys are gonna be bored. You're like, oh my god, Viviana, what are you doing? So if you're new here, my name is Viviana, and I give you tutorials on all things beauty. I love everything about beauty, and I'm located in Sweden. In case you want to do your hair, you're welcome. You can just send me a text on my Instagram page at vivianatz.official. So you can send a message there on the DM, or you can even write in the comment section, and then I will be able to give you my number. If you live in Sweden and you'd love to get your hair or your makeup done by me, I will gladly do your hair. So as I told you, now I'm going to do in circular motion. After I have inserted 3 tracks at the back, then we are going to go in circular motion. That means I'm going to go around the cape. So as I told you, I'm going to do little by little, applying the glue just a little bit, and then I insert the track. I apply the glue a little, and then I insert the track until I will be done with this. So the only thing that we're going to do here is to go in circular motion. And you see those white stuffs, when it dries, you just wipe it away. You just take it out, and it goes very simple, guys. This is like a game changer. Yeah, it's been there forever, but I just realized it, that I can make my wigs without I can make my wigs in a short period of time without hustling with needles and threads and all that. I can do this. So yeah, I think this is great. I think this is amazing. So I hope more videos of wig videos are coming, since now we have this beautiful and very easy method to make a wig. I am so excited to make the other wigs that are coming, the other tutorials. We're gonna do this, so you guys stay tuned. I can't wait to share the other one that I have. I have another idea of making a wig, and I'm going to share it with you in the next videos, the coming videos. So you people just stay in touch, stay tuned. So I'm just going through the in a circular motion, as I told you. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click a subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell button so that you get notified every time I put a new video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comment. I love reading your comment. They really encourage me to do more. They really encourage me to keep going. And thank you so much for you people who have already subscribed. I am so blessed to have you as my beauty family, and I'm so grateful and happy that you chose me and you believe in me. So thank you so much. And if you need to follow me on social media, on Instagram I'm using vivianatz.official. You can follow me there, or you can follow my other Instagram account that's for hair services that I provide here in Sweden. It goes by the name Style Afro Hair in Sweden. So yeah, so as I told you, I'm gonna go in circular motion. I'm taking my time to show you slowly so that you can see exactly what you have to do. This is good even for those people who cannot sew. If you can't sew if you're not good at sewing, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, sewing using a needle and thread. So if you're not good at that, just use this method, and it's very quick. Trust me. In 30 minutes I was done doing this wig. In 30 minutes I was like, wow. I didn't even sweat. I didn't even say, oh my god, I'm tired. Oh, it was just like I'm eating my favorite food, or I'm just relaxed in my favorite place. It just felt so peaceful, so good. And I was listening to this good music from Shania Twain, and I was just relaxed and enjoying the whole process of making my wig. Everything was going so smooth when I was making this, and I was like, what? Where was I to do this from the beginning? Where was I? And now here we are doing this, and I am so happy. Comment down below which kind of videos would you like to see in this channel, and comment down below where are you watching from, so that we get to know each other. As I told you, I live in Sweden, Stockholm, Sweden. So that's where I live now, but I'm originally from Tanzania. So maybe one day we'll do a get to know me video when we are so many and we now I currently don't know where my geographic where I get my people from. So that's why I would love to know where are you watching from, because my channel is still new, so it changes. Today I see South Africa, tomorrow I see this and that. So I think in time it will stabilize, and I will know, okay, my people are from here and here, and then we'll get together. We can do the live sessions and different stuff. But meanwhile, I really want to know what you guys want to see in this channel. What would you love to see? Which kind of videos, and where are you watching from? Please comment down below. I would love to know you. And welcome to the family. Thank you for joining this beauty family. So there I have used one bundle, but I'm gonna use just one pack of the weave. So I'm just gonna use one pack. In one pack it comes like 2 separate bundles. So that's what this is my second one, and I'm just gonna go round and round. You can see I created that circle because I was going round and round and round. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do, and I am gonna do that until the circle becomes super duper small, almost invisible, and then I'm gonna show you how you can cover that. So watch this till the end, darlings. Watch this till the end. And as I told you, you can do this with a straight weave or with a curly weave, anything, any texture, any length that you want to, any color that you want to make your wig, you can do using this method of a glue gun. But the only thing that changes is the design. So now I see that the circle is very tiny, so I'm gonna cut some strands of hair from my weave track like that, so that I can attach them there just to cover the tracks of the weave on that circle that is remaining. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue, and then I'm going to attach that. It's going to look very seamless, no tracks will be showing, and it's going to look super professional. So I'm going to show I am going to show you more methods, different kind of methods of making the wigs in very simple way. You know, you can just, let's get prettier, we keep getting prettier by the day, yo. You know what I'm saying, right? Yes. So after I just took out the plastic bag out of my cap, as I told you, it was a bit hard. That's why I'm telling you, you don't have to use that, just use the cap itself on a mannequin head. Yeah. So, and then I'm trimming, especially on the bangs. I'm gonna make that front part shorter and more presentable, so I'm just cutting so that I don't have to cover my eyes. I have to show these big eyes to you guys. This is my final look. I am feeling like $1 million babe, and I love every bit of it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and give this video many likes, comments, subscribe, darling, subscribe. What are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button. Bye bye, love.